intense bands of snow will be moving over southern New England before that sleet moves in. Potentially 1 to 2.5 inches per hour snowfall rates expected with this snow. Wind chills 5 to 10 degrees. Travel, expect snow-covered roads, poor visibility during the afternoon Sunday.
Good morning. Yeah, it's still morning. It's about 10 to 12 right now. I am on the road in the middle of not a blizzard, but a winter storm. Rhode Island is expecting anywhere from 12 to 20 inches, and I'm headed north to Sterling, Massachusetts to Chocksett Inn for a wedding. This is my first wedding of the season, and it's in the middle of January. Well, the end of January. So, yeah, we're expecting some snow, but I wanted to bring you guys along for this adventure through the snow and to the wedding, show you what the wedding's like, show you what I do besides the vlogging thing, and see how the day goes, see how crazy this weather gets. I did book a room at the DoubleTree in Leominster, Massachusetts, which is about 10 minutes away from where the wedding's being held. They're already booked out. The inn has been booked out. So I'm planning on shooting the wedding till about 8 o'clock, getting out of there, driving about 10 minutes north to Leominster and staying the night. Then I'm gonna get up, shovel, and come back home before we get more snow. This is fun. I'm not nervous, I'm not scared. I'm just going in with a mindset of being safe and taking this as an experience. Because who else do you know that could say they filmed a wedding in a snowstorm? I have about an hour and 9 minutes drive time. Now, when I timed this out about a couple weeks ago, it said it was roughly an hour to an hour and 2 minutes. When I first got on the road, it said it was about an hour and 20 minutes. So we've been on the road for about 12 minutes. It's not terrible, but it's definitely coming down, and it's going to get worse. Thankfully, when I get there, the snow is just going to be like this. It's just steady. It's like a powdery snow right now. Nothing's really sticking. I'm just coasting through it, no problem. So I feel safe. Roads feel fine. We are about 10 minutes out from our destination. I'm doing about 35, 40 miles per hour. The roads, again, still aren't slippery, making good timing. I should be there at 1 o'clock. Well, here we are. The first wedding of 2026, and it's snowing outside. I am up in Sterling, Massachusetts, about to shoot my first wedding of the season. This is a video wedding for me. I'm not doing any photos. I'm very excited, but I'm also going to be trapped here for the night or a day and a half. So wish me luck. Yep. Do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life, right?
How crazy and out of the world plot may be.
Okay, I finally had a minute to sit. The day is actually moving pretty smoothly, just fast as always. Weddings are always fast. It's still snowing outside. Looks like it's pretty close to a foot already. Right now, it's dinner time. They actually have a TV here with the game on, so people are losing their minds over the Pats. It's fun. It's actually kind of more personable, more just, they got through the formal stuff pretty quickly. They just want to be here with their people, their friends, their family. That's what really, this is what weddings is all about. And this is the kind of weddings that I do love. Days like this where, you know, just can mingle and go with the flow. Not everything's so structured. You do have your cookie cutter stuff. Other than that, it's been a great day. I'm gonna go back in there, I'm gonna have my dinner, and I'm gonna get ready for dances next. We've already done speeches, we've done first dances with the parents, introductions, yeah, the whole thing. Everything was great though. Well, here we are, back outside in the blizzard. Gotta dig myself out now and get to my hotel room. It's honestly, it's sleeting right now. It's like rain and snow. Okay, we're on the road. I'm about 10 minutes from my hotel room. It's almost whiteout conditions. The roads aren't really plowed. They're more like compacted. So just being cautious and trying to trek through. And just like that, we made it to the DoubleTree Hotel. Let me hurry up inside and check in and get in my warm room. Spooky elevator time. I did get a chocolate chip cookie though. Complimentary. It says pardon our crumbs on it. So they must be under construction. Oh boy, here we go. Okay, 518. Hello, honey, I'm home. It's dark. Very dark, guys. Very dark. Found the bathroom light. Give you a quick room tour. Oh yeah, look at the amenities. Some body lotion, some soap, toilet. Shower looks okay, looks a little dirty. Oh, look at that thing. Prison shower. What else we got? No lights. Let's find the lights. There's one. Oh my God. This place needs help. For a Hilton, not for nothing. It's kind of dumpy. Got a nice window view though. I think we're on the back side. Yeah, I think I'm that way to the left. But at least we can see in the morning what it's gonna look like when we get up. Our bed. Oh, look. Welcome. Good morning. It's the next day. It's 6:15 a.m. I got up this morning at about 5:30, looked outside and saw that they had cleared the parking lot. So I am going to pack up, go downstairs, maybe grab breakfast. Haven't thought about that yet. There is breakfast. And then shovel my car out and head on the road to home. So let's get out of here. Here are the roads. They're not down to the pavement, but they're a lot down than what they were last night. At least I can actually see some of the road, and I can feel more traction. I don't feel like I'm just trekking through snow. There's a few people on the road, but not too many. It says I got about an hour and 30-minute ride, which originally it was supposed to only be like an hour 15. So I added another 15 minutes to this ride. We'll see. I'm doing about 45, so taking my time getting home. All right, made it home, and my car is stuck outside right now. So I just wanted to give you a quick update that I made it off the highway onto a couple of main streets, pulled down to my street, and there was snow as high as my knees. They never came and plowed. So I gunned it, made it in front of my house, and tried to turn into my driveway, and got stuck. So I'm gonna head outside and clean that up, and I'll be back. Oh, it's the next day. It snowed again. I feel like we're just constantly cleaning up. Been cleaning up for hours. Spent all day yesterday cleaning up my driveway, to then come back out here this morning to have to clean off my car and driveway again. Now, they're saying that there is another snowstorm in the forecast, and this one's even better, a nor'easter. Now, those who aren't familiar with a nor'easter, it's kind of like a hurricane blizzard. Not good. If this continues, I'm definitely going to buy a snowblower. I can't continue to shovel this. There is no more room for me to put the snow. So, to close out this vlog, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some behind the scenes of a wedding and my adventure to Sterling and Leominster. But I'll see you in the next one. Peace.